Everybody? My name is Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and today we're working on a 2013 Ford F-150. We did a whole sound system, 4-channel amplifier. So this is a 360 watt 4-channel amplifier for the speakers. This is a 1600 watt kicker amplifier for the subwoofer. We installed this kicker L7T 12-inch shallow subwoofer. We have the seats out right now. We're going to pretty much put the seats back in, so it's all ready to go. It's all tuned up. So if you guys want something like this installed in your car, let us know. We'll help you out.